Today's super spontaneous video, I think the most spontaneous video I've ever done yet, and quite limited on time, 3 hours, but this was something you do not turn down, an offer to come drive the Rimac. I've been saying Rimac up to now, but you pronounce it apparently Rimac, like TS, I think. I've got behind me some of the Rimac team here, come to assist me. Super amazing people. First of all, I need to say, so friendly, amazing story behind this car. I had a quick introduction when I arrived here in Andermatt to the car. They told me over a course of like 1 hour about the history of it, how it came to. The story is really just, it's wonderful. It's a man with a dream, and this is the end result. Well, end result for now. I think there's still a lot more to come from this company. I've never been so excited to drive an electric car in my life, that's for sure. And definitely, I mean, this is a hypercar. This is an electric hypercar, and the numbers are mind-boggling. Last week they just broke 23 more new world records. Jump in and go for a quick, quite literally a blast in a 1914 horsepower car in Switzerland on a mountain pass with very steep, dangerous high edges. I really just do not want to do a Richard Hammond. Yep, I'm so extremely pumped for this right now. The instruments in here are like nothing I've seen before. Something that I instantly love about the brand is they're making everything themselves. You know, there's not a part from another brand here and there. It's like all custom made by them. Everything you touch feels high-end, you know, metals, carbon fiber, Alcantara. That's pretty much the only, but it is the only materials I can feel, apart from this plastic water bottle. That's the only plastic thing I can actually feel in here at the moment. I'm going to head down the pass, maximize my time in the car, go right to the bottom to do one lap fully up. I'm currently driving the world's fastest accelerating and braking car in the world on the road, and I'm in it. I love a story, and this brand definitely has a big story behind it. So hats off to him and them and everyone behind it, because you feel that a lot of time and passion has gone into this. So any sounds that you guys can hear on the camera, I'm not sure what you'll hear, to be honest. There is no artificial sounds in here, which I really like actually, but it's got a sound. It's mechanical. I can't believe an electric car is exciting me. I always wondered if that would ever happen. I think the price at the moment for one of these is above 2 million. It's 2 million and something. So let's talk about some numbers quickly. They have just done another world record with this. I think 412 kilometers an hour with one gear. How? I mean, how? 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 1.8 seconds, or I think 1.8.1 or something, but let's just say 1.8 seconds. That is mind-blowing. 100 to 200 kilometers an hour in 2.59 seconds. That's even more impressive. Switzerland and 1900 horsepower is maybe not the best combination. However, twisty road. Let's see what it feels like. Obviously, you know, quite a heavy car, but it feels incredible. It's so planted. Whoa. And let's push it a bit around this corner. Absolutely. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's speed limit quickly. It's probably quite hard for me to get across on camera how quick this is. On the power. Literally takes the breath out of you, and I'm not even going flat. Not sure how to put this in words. Okay, gotta take it easy there. I'm just hitting the speed limit far too quick. Let's do another flat down. Yep, that would do. You can really feel it. This is crazy. So in track mode, it will give the full power. In sport mode, it's actually not giving full power, 70-70. I can try track. Track now goes to 100-100. Oh God, that wing goes up high. Let's try, but the test drive did say to me in track mode, you won't be able to use the power. It won't put it down because the road's cold, it is quite fresh. You can still see a lot of snow. Oh, yeah, that was the rear wheels spinning. I think I'm just going to put it back to sport mode. I can't put the full power down. It's, what's the temperature outside? 11 Celsius. Yeah, you just can't put down 1900 horsepower in 11 Celsius with cold tires. I think one thing that I'm enjoying the most right now, besides from the power and everything, is the cockpit. It feels so special in here. It's a Screams hypercar. The seats are, wow, they are unbelievably comfortable. So whoever designed the seats, thank you, because there's too many sports cars out there these days where I feel like they don't put enough time into the seats. Let's try a launch control. He did say I could try one. Quite simple really, flat on the brake. This is not with full power, this is in sport mode, flat down and off. My brain. Should we do another launch control? Should we do one? Let's do one. Just one more. No, two more. You should never say just one more. We're going to do two more, but then you do one. So flat down, foot on the brake, down, power. 80. I can't fault it in any way right now. Nothing. The interior is such a highlight for me. I need to go to Croatia. What this has told me, I need to go to Croatia. I need to spend some time there. Because clearly there's a car community there. I can't believe I want to drive back down the mountain pass now to drive back up again. I've only ever had that in, you know, petrol cars with sound and emotion. I've never in my life had a feeling of, oh, I want to go drive this electric car that I've got today to film. It's like, yeah, it's nice, it was comfortable, and it was pleasant. But it wasn't exciting, and it wasn't for me any emotion. I've not felt any emotion personally in electric cars up till now. And again, it's not just because it's got 1900 horsepower the inside, it's the fact you sit in and you instantly feel, as I said, like, wow, I'm in a hypercar. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna stop, find a place to stop and take some pictures of it.